This is an amplified phone from Clarity. This is a great solution if you know someone or if you are someone with any kind of hearing issues and you need amplified telephones. What's cool about this, it's not a telephone, this is an amplified headset. You need a telephone, it's going to pair with that phone, so it can work with Bluetooth devices, but it's also able to work directly with some of the hearing aid platforms out there, so it can go right to your hearing assistance device. This one's got all the features that you'd expect from a phone. Easy to use. It's got a lanyard if you need it. It can connect to earphones directly, and like I say, it can also go straight to hearing aids and some listening devices. So this one is the standalone model with the recharging base. It's got 3 AAA rechargeable batteries in here that charge in the base unit that you can leave plugged in. They do make some other models, but this is one that's a great option if you've already got a phone and you just need an amplified headset for it that has some capacity, like it's got you can store phone numbers and last recall and redial and those kind of options. It's a great option for anyone who's got hearing issues. It can go up to 50 decibels. Hope this helps.